In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a website in Hostinger. Whether you're freeing up some unused space or making way for a new project, deleting a website can be a straightforward process when you know the right steps. First, let's start by navigating to the Hostinger dashboard. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and enter the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. Make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account to access the dashboard. This is where you manage all your domains and websites, so getting familiar with it can really help streamline your website management tasks. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, you'll want to look for the section labeled Websites. This section provides an overview of all the websites you've hosted on Hostinger. It's organized and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through your list of sites. Locate the section, then proceed to what's next. Now that you've found websites, it's time to click on the websites list. This step ensures you're viewing all hosted sites in one place. From here, you'll be able to access individual website settings, including the option to delete. Next, find the specific website you want to delete. Beside this website, there should be an icon represented by 3 dots. This is often referred to as the options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to expand your options. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various management actions. In the drop-down menu, one of the available options is Delete. Clicking on this initiates the deletion process for the website. Before you proceed, please ensure this is indeed the website you want to remove. Once a website is deleted, the action cannot be undone, so double-check that you're targeting the right one. After choosing to delete, you'll see a confirmation message. It's crucial to read through this carefully. This message serves as a reminder that once the website and its subdomains are deleted, all data will be permanently lost and cannot be recovered. It's always a good idea to back up any important data before proceeding. Once you've read and understood the message, you'll need to check the box that acknowledges your understanding that all website data will be lost. This is an important step to prevent accidental deletions. After checking the box, go ahead and click the delete button to finalize the removal of your site. Finally, a confirmation screen will appear. Click on Done. You've successfully deleted a website on Hostinger. It's recommended to wait a minute and then refresh your browser to ensure that the site is completely deleted. And there you have it. You've now learned how to delete a website in Hostinger, making room for new ideas and projects.